In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for DoorDash Driver tutorial. To get started, head over to the DoorDash Dasher sign up page. Once you're there, begin entering the basic information requested to create your account. This usually includes your phone number, your email address, and your zip code. Make sure everything is entered accurately because this information will be used throughout the sign up and verification process. Next, create your Dasher profile. You'll be asked to enter your full name, create a password, and complete the rest of the account details DoorDash requires. Take your time here and double check your information before moving on, since mistakes can slow down the approval process later. After that, download the Dasher app from either the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, log in using the same account you just created. This app is where most of your onboarding will continue, and later it's also where you'll manage deliveries, payouts, and your driver status. You'll then choose the type of vehicle you plan to use for deliveries. Depending on your location, DoorDash may offer options like a car, scooter, motorcycle, or bicycle. Select the option that matches how you'll actually be delivering, since available choices can vary by market. The next part is entering your address. Provide the residential or contact address information requested in the app. Be sure it's current and complete, since this can be important for account verification and other onboarding requirements. From there, you'll move into identity verification. DoorDash will ask you to upload a valid government-issued ID, and you'll also be prompted to take a selfie. This helps confirm that your identity matches the documents you submit, so try to use clear lighting and a readable ID image. You'll also need to complete the background check. This includes giving consent and submitting the required information. If you're using a motor vehicle report may be part of the review as well. DoorDash notes that many background checks are completed within a day, but in some cases they can take a week or longer, so be patient if it doesn't update right away. As you wait, open the Dasher app and check your sign-up status. There should be an onboarding checklist showing what's complete and what's still pending. This is a helpful way to make sure you don't miss anything. Next, set up your payout method. Choose from the payment options available to you, such as weekly, direct deposit, and, where offered, faster payout methods. Then complete any remaining onboarding steps or documents shown in the app. Once you've passed the required checks and your application is approved, you'll be ready to start dashing. Just open the Dasher app, choose an available area or zone, start your dash, accept delivery offers, pick up orders, and complete the deliveries.